birthday mo pala ngayon. Happy birthday, and wish you all the best, and I wish you all your wishes and dreams come true. God bless you, and I love and miss you. See you soon.
Hi, Venus! Happy birthday! May your birthday filled with extra special and smiles. Cheers to another year of fabulous moments from college days, gala dito, gala dun, from nursing care plan moments, kopyahan dito, tapos yung community days, tulakan dito, kung sino magluluto, sino maglilinis, tapos sabay tayo maligo dati, kasama mga girls, sila Shari and Rhea. Pero ngayon, professional na tayong lahat, may kanya-kanya na tayong buhay. I hope wala pa rin magbabago sa atin. And I hope sa birthday mo magiging masaya ka together with your husband. Sending loves and hugs on your big birthday from Zamboanga. Bye!